Drag racing has always been pretty simple in car parking multiplayer, but this is not normal CPM anymore. This is CPM 2, and in this video I will be doing all stages of the new drag racing tournament to give you guys the full experience of how this new system works. A few points I would like to get out the way. Firstly is that there is a feature for launch control. It would be holding the brake and the gas at the same time, but this depends on the gearbox and other setup of your car. That's what I believe, at least. It could be the ECU as well. But that aside, my car does not have this launch control. I tuned it up for top-end speed, as you've seen in the first clip, because at the time of recording this video, I didn't know the details of which part allows for launch control. But I'm sure I have it figured out by the time this video has been out. Before we get started with the racing, I want to give a quick shout out to these amazing subscribers and viewers. Thank you guys for always supporting the videos. I appreciate this more than you know. And if you want to appear in a future video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe, and comment shout out down below, and I will try to pick you out. Now let's get started on the full drag racing experience in Car Parking Multiplayer 2.